Y'all, check this out. For 5 years, the Compton Hunting Fishing Club's foundation, the Youth Enhancement Program, has put on this pheasant hunt in conjunction with the Tejon Ranch. The short of it, we get between 15 and 20 kids. They come out to the ranch. They have a nice breakfast. We go through a safety speech as a group. We get to know one another. We head over to the shotgun station, and everybody qualifies. Essentially, load your shotgun, unload your shotgun, on safe, off safe, all those pieces just to make sure everybody's ready to go to the field. We throw a few clay targets.
Yeah. Oh, pheasant's in trouble today.
And then off we go. Parents, guides, handlers, and a few camera guys, and we head off to the field. For most of these shooters, it'll be their very first time hunting in the field and their very first time hunting over a dog. We have another quick safety speech, and then off we go. Each hunter has a support person in the field that is right on his or her hip just to help with muzzle control as they are learning in this sport.
Okay. Kill it, kill it.
Nice.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice shot.
Well done.
You're good, buddy. You're good.
Right there.
Kill it.
Nice.
That's a shot.
That was awesome.
Yeah, here it is.
That was a good shot, huh?
Heck. Take it, Austin. Oh! Youch! Shot his head off.
Oh, I did.
Good job, young man.
I meant for that to happen.
Yeah, okay. That's right. Yeah, that's it.
Let's go.
Congratulations, my young man. Come on, Stark. Find it. Nice.
So much encouragement, so much first opportunities, so many emotions happening all at once. It's just a fantastic day in the field. Once they're finished with that, we head on into the processing facility where we go through a real formal cleaning. We talk about wings and tails and legs and heads, and then we get inside the breast of the bird, both lobes, heart, liver, lungs, gizzard. We even seine the gizzards and take the gizzard jewels, if you will, and then we go outside and do a little cooking. So we're hunting pheasants, we're cleaning pheasants, we're cooking pheasants, and all of this happens because of the good people at the Compton Hunting and Fishing Club sharing these experiences with young people in today's outdoors. Let's ask them what they thought of the day.
If you could describe today in one word, what would it be?
Refreshing.
Bloody.
Bloody. Would you do it again?
Yes.
Fabulous.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Exciting.
Nice. Would you do it again?
Yeah. Fun.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
If you could describe today in one word, what would it be?
Fun. Unique.
Nice. Would you go hunting again?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Nice. Would you hunt again?
Definitely.
Exciting.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Probably exhilarating.
Nice. And you would do it again?
Oh, for sure. Terrific.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Today in one word, what would it be?
Stressful.
Stressful? Would you do it again though?
Yes.
Birdie.
Birdie? That's accurate. Would you do it again?
Yes, definitely.
Fun. It was amazing.
Yes. How about you?
Awesome. Unique.
Awesome. Would you do it again?
Yes. Exciting.
Would you do it again?
Yes. Exciting.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Cool.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Describe today in one word.
She didn't even do it.
Suspenseful.
I would describe today as fun, and I would come back here any day.
One word to describe today.
Perfect.